Hello everyone, we are a group of software engineering students here to present our secure software development group assignment. Uh, we are group number 53 and we were asked to choose a project, find vulnerabilities and fix those as well as implement o-auth. So what is meant by vulnerabilities? A flaws in a computer system that weaken the overall security of the device and system can be defined as vulnerabilities. So the project that we have chosen for this assignment is a hospital management system. Now let's see what's the features in this hospital management system are. Nitya?
Explain our system. Our system is doctor-patient portal. This is a simple platform that helps patients who have to wait in line to book appointments with doctors and clients, clinics and hospitals. The main function of this web application is to reduce the lines in hospitals, like registration, login, admin panel, creating appointment, and deleting appointment are the main features of this system. The main homepage can be seen as above, and there is also about page, contact us page, help page also. Here we can log into the system by giving email and the password as two parameters. This is the our system that we have chosen for our project. So that's it.
Vulnerability scanning. Vulnerabilities scanning and static analysis and dynamic analysis can be used to find vulnerability. Here we use deep source scan for static analysis and also scan for dynamic analysis. To find the vulnerabilities, we use this software called OSAP. Through that, we could find several vulnerabilities, and some of those are mentioned here. The first vulnerabilities that we have found is SQL injection, and that is the highest risky vulnerabilities. And there are some other medium risky vulnerabilities as well. Absence of anti-CRS token, application error discourse, and content security policy, missing anti-click check-in header are some of the medium risky vulnerabilities. And some of the low risk vulnerabilities are cookie without some site attribute, X content type option header missing, uh, vulnerable JS library cookie no HTTP only flag, server leaks information via export by HTTP response header field. So we are able to fix most of these vulnerabilities. Let's see how these vulnerabilities are in OSAP. Kushan.
Okay, so we have found several vulnerabilities. So those first one is SQL injection. To fix this vulnerability, we applied prepared statements for the SQL queries that are written in the application. These are the prepared queries that we write to the SQL queries. So after adding these prepared statements, we able to solve that vulnerability. And another vulnerability is absence of anti CSRF token. To fix that, we add a unique CSRF token for every form in the application. Uh, here is mm, here is the CSRF token that we added. And if we looking a form before submit button, we have added a hidden input type field with their input type field with their generate the token. And here is the hidden token that we added. Here it is. And next vulnerability is application error disclosure. To fix this, we have to go through the source code, and also we have to go through the where the errors are shown. For example, one error was pass null valued attributes. To fix it, we have added the attribute to the beginning of the code. Uh, Here is the that attribute. And the next vulnerability is content security policy error. To fix that, we add this at the CSP, Content Security Policy tag to the every HTML page in the application. Here is the that tag, and the next vulnerability is missing anti-click checking error. For that, for mitigate that error, we use HTTP config file, which is located in the SAM folder. SAM. There we disable the X-frame options. We set the X-frame option as deny. So it helps to mitigate that error. The next vulnerabilities are cooking HTTP, cooking no HTTP flag, and cooking without same site attribute. So for that, so for those, we allocated different cookies, and those were validated before entering cookies as well. That's all.
To implement o-auth in web application, start by creating a project in the Google Cloud Console, creating new credential. So obtain the client-side keys called client ID and the client secret from the Google, and integrate them into a integrate them into our application for secure authentication and authorization. So login with Google, we can choose account, and it's logged in. So this is ensure the seamless access to the Google services while protecting user data. Then we can simply click logout, and all the user data we clear from the browser. So uh, so we could be able to find these vulnerabilities and fix those, but it always better to reduce these vulnerabilities. So there are some best case practices to which we can use in software engineering. So some of them are input validation, use of secure coding standards, keep softwares up to date, and use secure authentication and authorization method like OAuth, implement secure testing, use of encryption, and implement a content security policy. So that's it for our presentation. Hope you find or enjoy it, and thank you.